What's up, family? Welcome back to another video. My name is Derrica for anybody who is new here. And today's video, I realized I did not have an intro for it, so I'm inserting this little intro. But today's video is going to be like a mini vlog of me putting together 3 Chris Brown jerseys. So y'all know Chris Brown concerts have been going up and the jersey orders have been crazy. I appreciate everybody who has supported, but I decided to film, and this is what I have. Let me know which one is your favorite. If you would like to order a jersey, hit me up at purposefulprinting.com. I'll have it up on the screen, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thumbs up, and I'll see y'all at the end. These are the vinyl pieces for the 3 jerseys. So this one is going to be on the white jersey. It's going to be white jersey with gold and black. And then we have the pink jersey that's going to be with white and black. And then we have the black jersey that's going to be gold and white. I went ahead and did all of the front sides first. I'm going to go ahead and print these off. Here are the jerseys. So we have a black jersey, a pink jersey, and a white jersey. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get these cut, and then we'll start with the direct to film, and then we'll do the back side. I kind of already know what I want to do with the back side, so I just want to start get most of it out the way. Still as gentle as a bluebird. Wait, y'all, come back that way. Go back that way.